What's going on, everybody? So today we're reviewing the M2. This is Colby's car back here. We're gonna go on a little POV drive.
Yeah, so how many M badges can you fit on?
All right.
Always.
Oh, this is his over here. So this car has a lot to it. Off the bat, holy shit. All right, so obviously it's no like comparison between my car and this car because they're different. They're very different. A lot of people like this car because it's pretty nimble, and overall it just handles really nicely compared to, you know, a regular F chassis like an F30 or F32. When you get in this car and you start driving, you can literally just tell a difference. It's just so darty. So we have this insane turn. It's so crazy. Wow. Yeah, that's a whole lot different than just a regular F chassis. All right, so this car from factory has 365 horsepower, which is honestly in today's standards, that's a hefty amount. Woo! And the body, because it's so much smaller for an M car, the weight is obviously lower. So the power to weight, it's pretty noticeable. So this car got the M Performance exhaust from factory. It's a whole catback, and it sounds awesome. That's what my car had, and I'm a big fan of the M Performance exhaust. It's such a clean and like crisp sound. Obviously it's a little high in price, so a lot of people don't want to buy it. Completely get it, it's expensive. On these N55s, they sound magnificent. Literally just whip this car around turns, no problem. See, it just, oh my God. All right, let's roll the windows up, give you some in-car audio, pump the AC a little bit. Also, I love these white gauges. They just look so good. I mean, how could you not like them? It loves to slide out. Basically, you can get these cars new for around 50 grand. Used, they go down around to 45 with, you know, 15K or less. It's a really good bargain, honestly. Price to performance is insane. It's there for sure. And a lot of people overlook these cars, believe it or not. And honestly, they're going down in price because of it. No one really knows what these cars are about until they drive them. I advise every one of you that's watching, or maybe that's considering getting an M2, to drive one for sure. It'll definitely put you in the books for buying one of these cars. So guys, you know what's really funny? They, believe it or not, they changed the blinker style on these finally. So it's no longer that really odd and awkward just blinker. So you literally just click this down and it stays down, and then you click it up. Obviously it's a funny and nitpicky feature that they fixed. Everyone didn't like the old blinker, and I thought that was funny that they fixed it. Yeah, so this is the LCI version of the M2, 2018. They made the LCI M2 for 1 year before they completely switched to the M2 competition, which was the only other way to get the LCI. You had to get the S55 variant of the M2 competition. So this is the last year they made the M2 and the N55 variant. The most beefy N55. you know, it's got a bunch of forged features inside the engine. It's a lot quicker factory stock compared to a pre-LCI M2, which is 2016 to 2017. I believe they started LCI late 2017. Correct me if I'm wrong. I might do some research on that. I'm not too positive. And this DCT feels awesome. It's pretty similar to the M4. Yeah, DCT feels awesome. Smooth, fast, and it's sharp. Kicks you in your ass whenever it shifts, that's for sure. Got some understeer right there. Yeah, so this car also has a sick little exhaust flap controller. I showed it at the beginning of the video. Such a cool feature. Like, what? I honestly, I was surprised when Colby showed me this, because I was like, I did not know they made a flap controller with the in-performance exhaust. I did not know that. So that's sick. Definitely a feature you should look into if you're getting one of these cars. Make sure you get the in-performance exhaust from factory, and you should have the option to, you see it flashing right there. Should have the option to get this. BMW is definitely underrating their cars. I don't know what it is with them, but this feels way faster than 365. That's gonna do it for this review. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have more questions, just DM RowdyM2 on Instagram. I'll leave his link in the description. We'll see you guys in the next one.